Hi guys, I'm just going to do a quick update to a video I did earlier on the Fivers and the different programs I had, and it's just to clarify something that I saw in the comments, because I agree with John, some people might pick it up wrong, so it's a little salute to you for pointing that out. So the video itself is the Fivers explained, went out today, and it's here, and it says you have to do 0.5% a day. And it states 3 minimum days. Let me just clarify what that means. And it's easier to show you it on a dashboard. So there's a dashboard of the one that I passed. On this section, in order to pass, you've got to achieve your profit target. And you also need a minimum of 3 profitable days that exceed 0.5%. And it'll show it here, okay? So what that does is that shows each one of the days. So if you do a profitable day, that'll say 1 of 3. Do another profitable day, 2 of 3, and then 3. They must exceed 0.5%. Now, if you take 100 days to pass, it doesn't matter as long as you've got 3 that did the 0.5%. And then this is what the dashboard kind of looks at. So it'll tell you what your loss is. It'll give you an idea of what's left on your daily loss, what your payouts are, etc. Tell you what your equity curve is. There's mine. Give you a shot of all of your trades running through. Now, I was running quite well, 2.75% per day. As you can see, do lots of trades as well. And then you come down to the bottom and it'll tell you what's going on and how you do things, and then there you go. There's my win rate, average trade about half an hour, and there you go. So dead simple. So I hope that kind of clarifies things for you. If you're stuck, I'm dead easy found. Just go on my website. You can always drop me a message and I'll try and speak to you in plain English, and there you go. So I hope that helps you. Catch you all soon.